Hello there, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are going to be doing a quick, really fun video. We're going to be making over my coffee station, and then we're also going to be refreshing my tea drawer. But before we get started with that, I wanted to just make a little simple syrup so that we can fill up one of the coffee syrup dispensers that we have. So we're just doing a brown sugar simple syrup. So we're doing 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of water, and then we're going to be putting in a splash of vanilla extract, and then we're just going to let it boil down. We're going to let it reduce in size. So while this is boiling, we're just going to go over and clean off the countertop and pull out all of the items that we're going to be using today for the coffee bar. So how is everyone doing today? I hope that you're having an amazing weekend, and I hope that you remember to turn your clock, being that today is daylight savings, so we're losing an hour. So I am so happy that you chose to spend some time with me on this Saturday or whenever you're watching it. So we're just going to clean off the countertop here. I'm using some Trader Joe's cedar wood cleaner. This is amazing. I actually went through this bottle very quickly, and I picked up a full bottle yesterday at Trader Joe's. So we're just going to clean down the countertop, and then we're going to put in this large wooden tray that I've had for years, and that's going to be the foundation for the coffee bar in this section. So this is going to be a coffee bar and a tea station. So I just grabbed 2 tea coffee cups. We had this over on the other countertop. I also have this little sugar bowl, but I decided not to use it. And then I have this tea kettle that we were storing down in the basement, and I brought it out when we did our refresh here in the kitchen. And then I always use my pour over coffee dispenser. I have that frother there. I love incorporating this coffee sign whenever possible. And I picked up these beautiful plates at Home Goods. They were $4.99 each. I absolutely love them. They're fine china and they're so pretty. And then I pulled out those little bunnies. I have 2 of them. I've had for a couple of years. And then these are 2 syrup dispensers. I'm going to have that linked in my Amazon store. And then I picked up some new tea. I got some peppermint tea, chamomile tea. I picked up some blueberry muffins, some chocolate chip cookies, and then a leftover coffee syrup that we had purchased before. So we're just going to start loading the items onto the tray. But before that, I just wanted to wipe down the plates. I cleaned them and I just want to dry them off so I can stack them up. I am in love with the print on these plates. I've never had any type of china like this before, but when I was in the store, this robin's egg blue color just like spoke to me, so I had to pick them up. So I have them here in this section, but I definitely think I'm going to be using them in like a tablescape in the dining room for spring. So let me know. I know that a lot of people love these types of patterns on their plates. Let me know if this is your style. It used to not be my style, but different types of floral, interesting like bird theme has really been catching my eye lately. If you missed last week, I showcased a pink like blush color accent pillow in my bedroom when I did my makeover. I'm going to have that video linked in the description in case you missed it. It was an amazing video. We totally brightened up my bedroom. We changed the curtains, all the textiles. We did a beautiful cozy seating area, and it was just amazing, and I've really been enjoying it. So now we're just going to be working in these flowers. I went and got this little bud vase from upstairs. It's a 3-piece set. That should be linked in my Amazon store as well. It's 3 little bud vases, and this one is the larger one, and then there's 2 smaller ones. So we're just going to set that there on the tray, and then we're going to add in the balance of the items. So I always like to have really fresh, simple syrup, and I leave it here on the coffee bar. So I only made a half a jar, roughly about 1 cup, because I didn't want to make too much because it is just me that uses it. So I wanted to make sure that I made in just the right amount, especially because I do have a secondary store-bought salted caramel syrup that I also use. So we're just going to fill up the 2 containers and set them there on the coffee bar, and then we are going to add in the final touches, and then I'm going to show you guys the reveal, and then we're going to go into refreshing the tea drawer. So I just added in some stripe napkins, and then a little spoon rest and a little spoon for us when we make our tea or coffee. I just absolutely love it. I think it is so precious and fitting for the spring season. So as you see, I had some additional items inside of my tea drawer that I just wanted to move out. So these are bamboo interchangeable trays. So I got a large box of them about 2 years ago from Costco. And then the 2 trays that are in the front are actually from IKEA. So I mix and match within this drawer, and you'll see me moving things around to try to get the best layout. And then once I am able to determine how I want the layout to be, we're just going to stack in all of the teas and rearrange them, and then add in the chamomile and the mint tea that I picked up today from Trader Joe's. And then we're just going to look at how it all turns out. I did also put in a couple of biscotti, and I really like to just have everything at my fingertips. So I have all of the coffee and tea up on the counter, and then in this drawer I have all of the teas that I can enjoy. I have loose teas as well with the little, I always forget what they're called. It's basically like the little basket that you can put your loose teas in. I have one that's single that I can put in a cup, and then also one that I can put like in the actual tea kettle. I just want to thank you guys so much for joining me. I really do appreciate each time that you click on a video of mine. Now that I am back to working 5 days a week in the office, I did mention in my last video that we're going to be going down to just one video per week, and that will be on Sundays. So this will be the only video that you're going to be seeing for this week. So I hope that you are enjoying, and we will be coming back next Sunday to share another amazing video. So I hope that you will come back next week and join me again. So this is how the tea drawer turned out. I absolutely love it. At the end of this video, I'm going to be doing a quick project recap, just showcasing the last couple of videos that we've shared on the channel. So I just want to thank you guys so much again for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, share with someone that might like my content, and I'll see you back here next Sunday. Until then, have a blessed day, a blessed week, and enjoy your time with your family and loved ones, and I'll see you back here next Sunday.